Okay, so hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Ubuntu in your laptop. So we're going to install Ubuntu 18 in this laptop, which I have unboxed previous video. So previously what my plan was to buy a new SSD, install Ubuntu in that and using Windows side by side. But after looking the prices for the SSDs, I have changed my plan. So now I'm going to remove Windows 11 Home completely from this laptop and install Ubuntu in it. So let's get to it. So to install Ubuntu, you need some things like you need a USB bootable drive or pen drive more than 8 gigs, like this would work, and you need an ISO file. Here I have Ubuntu 18 and Rufus also. So let's create a bootable drive. First install the pen drive into the laptop and we need to format it. It's already Ubuntu 22 but I need Ubuntu 18, so let me format it. So it's formatted. Now let's open the Rufus. Where it is, it's so let's open this. It's selected. Now here select the ISO. This is now here we need to select the ISO file. This is, and we need to select GPT for the modern computers. Then name the device, keep it as it is. Click on start, click on OK, OK, and OK to this also. This might take some time, so wait for it to happen. Okay, so it's done. Let's remove it and let's shut down our PC. Oh my. Okay, I think it's turned off. Let's turn it on again. And we'll press, I think, enter. I'm doing this first time, so yeah. So press enter to normal menu and then F12. Okay, so oh, I forgot to add the pen drive. Oh my god. Mm, I had to do this again. Okay, I installed the pen drive and now I restart it again. Click on the start button and press enter. Smash enter, I think. And then F12. Okay, so here the SanDisk Cruiser Blade drive is here. Now click enter and now it's asking us, so I'll click on install Ubuntu. Okay, it will take some time, it will run some commands, I don't know what it is, so it is my first time. Yeah, so it's now booting it into Ubuntu through the flash drive. It's not installed yet, we'll install it. Wait. Okay, so now we are on startup screen. We need English. Yeah, English US. Normal installation, web browser. Yeah, we need a normal installation. Yeah, we will choose this erase disk and install Ubuntu because I don't want to do a dual boot. I'm going to erase the Windows 11 from this laptop, so I'll choose the first one and then click on install now. Make sure your laptop has a battery. If you continue, then the bit on this, otherwise you will be able to continue. Kolkata. Oh, India. If I say, yeah, Kolkata. Okay, I'll name it login automatically. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Most secure password ever. This will take some time, maybe an hour or 30 minutes. So I'll be back when it's installed. Okay, so it's now asking me to restart now. I think it's done. Let's click on restart now and see what happens. Let's wait for it. Okay, so I don't know. Let's hope Ubuntu is installed. Yeah, success. I think so. Yeah, I think it's yeah. So Ubuntu is installed successfully. So I think I can remove. Yeah, it's removed now. Here, let's see. Yeah, this is an old Ubuntu because my project requirement is old Ubuntu. So I have installed Ubuntu 18. You can install anything like it's on 24 or 25 now. You can install 25 or 24. So yeah, that's it. So guys, Ubuntu is installed in this laptop. Let's see the configuration. Where can I see it? Details. Yeah, so it is with Radeon graphics, 500 GB, 64-bit. I don't know why it's detecting only 12 GB of RAM. My system has 16 gigs of RAM. I need to check it out. I don't know about that. And if we check on the system, in utilities, we have something called archive manager, password manager. No, no, no. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, system monitor it is. I forgot the name of this. So, yeah, it will show us. Yeah, I don't know. I 13. It's still. I don't know. I need to check it. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and like. And if you want me to create more videos on computers or something like that, laptops, desktop, just comment below. I'll try to do that. And I'll see you in next video. Bye.